Look at this, folks. Want a baby diaper? Anybody need a baby diaper? Now I'm gonna get the coronavirus just hanging out here. And look at the part. You want to see this? Look at this. Worst thing about Laundromat, look at the parking lot. They just kick it out the car and throw it on the ground. They do not care. If we get quarantined, I'll be amazed if this laundromat makes it through that 14 days without getting totally destroyed. And it sucks because there's nothing I can do about it. But that's what sucks. You put a lot of effort into these things, and this place, it isn't a matter of if, it's just when it will get destroyed during that 7 sets. It's not a matter of if, it's just when during that 14-day period it'll get destroyed. Because it won't be the first day, but there will be a day that they'll all say, screw it. I have got to go talk to that guy and see what the fuck the deal is, because this thing's just eon fucking worse.